G'day, it's Adam Franklin, and I just wanted to share two high-level insights that I got from the last 2 days working on the business with my business partner Tobes down at a mastermind in Melbourne. First, at a high level, insight was you only need to be right once in business. So despite what we're taught at school to always pass and never fail, in business, a lot of what we do is going to be failing and working out what doesn't work and learning from that and refining that, and then finding the thing that does work, and then you're sweet. And part of that too is, the second component, which is another insight, was I think it was essentially like a Nobel Prize study or something that surveyed all these successful people, and they asked them, is what you're successful in now what you started out in? And 94% of people said no. Which means the moral of that story in my mind is just get started in something. There's a very high chance it's not going to be what you end up being successful in, but you need to start